Yo guys, what go on? Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. You don't know. I was challenged by Island Girls Can Cook and the Afflick Gang. I'm gonna do a bag of things over there, you know what I mean? So it's the 40 question challenge. It's just me at the moment because Latoya went to handle some business in Jamaica. But no problem that you don't know. Everything sorted out. So as I said, the 40 question challenge. I don't know who come up with this. Look, I got some people who just want for day in a people business, you know what I mean? But don't watch no face still, you don't know. We're not back from the challenge, so we're gonna start out the thing. But before we go into the video, you don't know. Let's get into the 40 question them with them claims that them want to know about Poppy. You see me I say? So the first question is, do you like blue cheese? You know, so I don't really like cheese still. I really fancy the cheese thing. I might eat a piece of cheese with bun, but if I eat a piece of cheese, it'll be probably more the cheddar cheese. You know what I mean? In Jamaica we call it the tasty cheese because of the company that make it. You see me I say? But the blue cheese thing, I'm not really up on the blue cheese thing. Do you like Coke or Pepsi? None of them things there. I don't like neither Coke nor Pepsi. When I was young, I used to drink Pepsi. But as I get older, you know, the whole soda vibes, I'm kind of cut out the Pepsi thing. You see me I say? I'm not really fancy them things there right now. Next question. Are you in a relationship? Yeah, man, I'm in a relationship. I'm married, man, you know what I mean? 12 years of marriage. Thing up, you know what I mean? Yeah, in a relationship. Do you like whiskey, tequila, or vodka? None of them things there. We have a 1 Guinness every so often, but that's like once a month or even probably twice a month at most, but it's not a definite, you know what I mean? But if I drink anything, it'll be a 1 Guinness. So nothing with the whiskey, tequila, or vodka. Do you like hot dog or cheeseburger? I like the two of them, I like the two of them. I mean, whatever is there, I'll take it. I don't really have a preference, you know what I mean? But hot dog quicker, I don't know. So if me I make it, I'll probably make a hot dog, but if I go somewhere and I serve the two of them, I'll probably take the two of them. You see me I say? But anyone them have more work with it, man. What is your favorite food? Yo, I love spaghetti and meatballs, you know. But I also love seafood, you see me I say? But quick thing, in the house, I whip up some spaghetti and meatballs. I love my spaghetti and meatballs. What do you drink in the morning? In the morning, I don't really drink nothing at all. If I go work, I might drink some coffee. Might. If I'm at home, I'm not going to drink none. In fact, I don't even wake up in the morning when I'm at home. You see me I say, on a Saturday and Sunday, probably 11, 12 o'clock before I rise. So, I don't really drink none in the morning time. Can you do 100 push-ups? No. When I'm younger, probably. No right now, Rasta. When I see the workout challenge video, the things that are way. You see me I say, make sure you check out that video there. Yeah, no right now. I probably can do like 20 right now, straight. So I can do 5 sets of 20, yes, but not 100 push-ups straight. Favorite season? We don't know, we come from Jamaica and we used to the sunshine, so I can say my favorite season are the summertime. You see me I say, because Jamaica come like it only have one season and like a summer alone we have. So I just work it and we used to that. You see me I say? Little snow alright, but I don't really fancy it too much. Although I prefer when it's cold. I prefer the cold more than the heat. But I don't like the snow thing because the whole driving and, you know what I mean, the place look away after snowfall. Well, not after it fall. After it fall, it's pretty, but once it starts on ice and, you know, it start get dirty, the place look terrible. My favorite hobby. What's my favorite hobby? Yo, I don't really have no hobby. I like do a lot of things, you know what I mean? I like to do graphic designing. I love listening to some music. I love cook too. You see me I say, I love work around the house. Spending time with the kids. I have a whole heap of little hobby, man. You know what I mean? Keep myself occupied. I don't really have no one set hobby. Depends on the mood, you see me? Do I have tattoos? Well, I say I don't have no tattoo. I know some I love the ideas of tattoo. Because I'm an artist, so I can draw. I love the ideas of tattoo, but you know, I used to them think they're painful, brother. And anyway, pain there, I did the opposite direction. I mean, painting Rasta. Next question, do you wear glasses? Only for fashion. I don't wear glasses at all. You see me as a fashion thing, but otherwise I'm not making it perfectly clear. Yeah, no glasses to the general. Do you have a phobia? I have phobia? No, I'm a phobia, man. No, I'm not a phobia. When back in the day, I used to love fly. I used to travel all over the place, you know, I used to work with an airline, so I used to love fly, but man, I had a terrible experience one at a time with some turbulence and Jano. I'm flying now, but when turbulence start going on the plane, it's like I always remember say the turbulence thing can get rough. So that is the only kind of phobia I have. I really like turbulence in a plane. You see me, I say, I sit down, if it's smooth, I'm good. But once it start going with a bag of things, my head start going with a bag of things. So yeah, that's the only phobia I have. I'm not really afraid of too much other things. Snake and them something, I'm not really afraid of them things. Nicknames. In Jamaica, everybody have nickname, you know what I mean? If you're tall, them call you tall man. If you're short, them call you shorty. If you're brown, them call you reds or brown man. If you're black, them call you blacks or blacky. Everybody have nickname. So we go through quite a few nicknames coming up, man, you know what I mean? But I never really have no nickname where truly stick. And especially since I left Jamaica and I moved over here, I don't really have no nickname right now. But in Jamaica, I did have a couple of names that they used to call me, but nothing where I would say I'm a nickname that and I walk up and down and everybody know me as that. You know what I mean? What's my biggest downfall? You see, my biggest downfall is I'm a perfectionist, and things that I could do in a shorter space of time, maybe not of the highest quality, I always try to put 110%, and it's good, don't get me wrong, it's good, but I mean, I think I could speed up myself a little more if I just give them 100% sometimes instead of 110, 120, you know what I mean? Do you prefer rain or snow? I prefer rain, man. I love the rain. You see me I say? I love the rain. Snow alright. I just watch the snow for one day, but I don't want the snow every day. Can't come out of the house and place freezing. No, I can't bother with that. But I love rain. Really love rain. I love when the rain fall and I sleep, or you know what I mean, just to spend some family time. I love the rain even when I'm at work, although I prefer for the home. But I love rain. I love the rain. Do you have any piercings? Yeah, man, I have. Just them two, yeah. You see me I say? Had piercings from like I think I was 14 when my ears I got my ears pierced, you know. Big up my parents where say me I do good in a school, so you know what I mean? Them say, yo, me I do it for the right reasons, them, you get me? Do I believe in ghosts? Yo, man, I lie still. I think I believe in ghosts. I think I believe in a ghost because here I go on. You know, get me a walk through the cemetery. You see me I say, because I don't know how I go on in the cemetery then. But if I'm there in my house and I hear like something drop on the ground, I'm not going to say a ghost, you know what I mean? I'm not going to say a ghost. I'm not quick for things like ghosts and all these things, but yeah, when it come on to the cemetery thing, I'm not going to be brave like some man. I'm not even have to walk past all the cemetery, let go walk through all the cemetery. So I'm not really know. Tell me what you think in the comment section if I'm afraid of ghosts. My age, me are 41. You see me I say? Yeah, 41. That's my age. Fries or onion rings now, so I'm not on the onion rings thing. Straight fries. Although I'm not really fancy fries neither, because I don't really like them things with too much oil, you know what I mean? But fries or onion rings, I take fries. How many kids do I have? I have 3 kids, 2 boys, and a daughter. Yeah, 3 kids. What's my favorite color? Favorite color, red. I don't know, for some reason I love red. Sometimes I left the house and I say, yo, I go buy a shirt or whatever. I say, yo, you know what? May I get a blue or may I get a, you know what I mean, a white or something. I'm going to go there, brother. Once I go there, I see a red shirt, I red. I don't know what go on. So I have a lot of red things, but yeah, I love red. I just gravitate towards red. Sometimes I don't think of me pick red or red pick me. So that's how I feel, you know what I mean? Can you sing? No, man, I can't sing. I can't sing for me. You know what I mean? Like if I hear a tune, I know a tune, I want to sing a tune, we sing a tune, we not go on stage just sing. I can't sing like that, you know what I mean? Can you whistle? You know, so I can't whistle. I can't whistle. But I could do a... Yeah, I could do something like that when I was younger.
I can't breathe. Oh, shit.
Where were you born? Don't know. Straight Jamaica. Yeah, man, I come from Kingston. Kingston, Jamaica, I'm a place. Any siblings? Yeah, I have 2 sisters and a brother. Can you cook? Yeah, man, what you talk about? I don't watch Poppy Show. Crazy cooking I go on. Thing up. Yeah, man, I can cook. I love cooking as a matter of fact. In fact, I'm me the cooker in the house or the chef in the house. That's how I will cook. That's how I can cook really good, but she not really fancy the cooking thing. I love cook. So I'm cook, you know what I mean? Love cook. Can you swim? Can't swim. I tell everybody this. If the water pass my knee, I feel like I drown. You can't jump up on the swimming thing. You see me I say? I don't know how to swim. Everybody say, yo, you come from the island. Or you come from an island and you can't swim. Come here, say the island I come from and I see. You know what I mean? I dip on the land and then the water me there. Can't swim, man. And you know what I really love to swim still, you know, because I like the whole swimming activity, you know what I mean? To swim and all these things. But you know, I never learned, brother, and just never really take on swimming. Are you religious? I'm not religious in terms of the denomination them, because I think from my own opinion, denomination really split up the people. You see me I say? Because we always, or I know say in my heart of hearts, one God make everything, everybody. So when it comes down to the religion and some people are going to serve this way and some people are going to serve that way, I realize that, you know, in my own opinion, the religion is really causing a division amongst the people, you know what I mean? So I'm very spiritual, God-fearing, man of God, you know, me not do nothing unless me I say God, and anybody know me, know God, you know what I mean? I represent God straight to the highest level, you understand? We do good always because we know, say, you know, it's always a blessing to do good to the people and to do good unto God creatures and God creations, you know what I mean? We're here as mediums of the Most High and we carry out the works of the Most High. So anytime you see me have to be a true representation of God. You understand? I don't represent a religion. You can't see me and say, yo, I'm a this and I'm a that. But you can say I'm a child of the Most High God. Straight. Shower or bath? Yeah, I'm not up on the bath thing, you know what I mean? Bath come like me sit down in a bucket of dirty water. Yeah, I'm not up on the bath thing. Straight shower, my son. I'm not up on the long bathing thing neither too. So I like to just go in, do my thing and come back out. So shower gonna take too long for full bath and lie down in a dirty water and then semi-bathe, and you probably still have to take a shower because I want that dirty water that you lie down in, you know what I mean? So now back to the general. Do I like big city or nature? I love nature, don't get me wrong. I always envision myself living on a farm, you know what I mean, with some cow and goat and all them kind of things. That little tire say, town man can do farming and gardening and a bag of things. But in my heart, I feel like I'm more of that kind of a lifestyle. But we live in the city, man. We love city too, you know what I mean? We don't have no problem. You know, when you want to unwind and relax and everything, I think the nature where I think there. You see me I come from? Straight, but we are city boys, straight. Am I a good friend? Boy, I have some friend where, yeah man, I think I'm a good friend. I not lie, I not toot my own on, but the man them can rate me. I'm rate them today, all of them know some I love them, you know, man and woman. From me say me a friend, well I to the thing, you know what I mean? Some would say me a good friend. My friend them out there, comment in the comment section and make them know what I go on, if me a good friend. Do you have any broken bones? If me have any broken bones? No, I don't have no broken bones. What that mean? Like if me have broken bones now or if me had any broken bones? Well, neither. I don't know myself having any broken bones back in the day, and right now I definitely have no broken bones. So yeah, I don't have none of them things there right now. How many TVs do you own? Chano, some fast people really come up with them things, you know? Really? TV? Let me see. 5 TV. 5. Yeah, 5 TV me own. Worst pain ever. Boy, if you know me, every pain for me had. And every pain me get worse than the pain before. So, I don't know. I just don't like pain. Every pain for me had. You understand me I say? Do you like to dance? Ha! No. I can't dance. I don't know what I go on. I can't dance. Tire cause me all the time. I can't dance. I mean, I don't even never dance. I can't tire and dance. I can do the little waltz thing where, you know, rock side to side and all this. But I know that I'm stiff like piece of bone. I can't dance. I not take no credit for the dancing thing. I can't dance. Do you like camping? I don't know. I don't know about the camping thing in life. Go in the woods and sleep and dark and animals. No, sir. I never say like that. I mean, if I'm in the wilderness and I have to stay out there, I think I go dead. You know what I mean? I try to do what I can do to survive, but I don't leave my bed and go to a camp. In a woodland go camp out. No, sir. Am I weird? Yeah, but that's I'm weird. And here I'm that's I'm weird now because I strongly believe that the uniqueness in an individual make that that individual special, you know what I mean? It's like that's the thing that people admire. And when we talk about weird, I don't mean weird in a bad way, but weird where sometimes if you do some things and it'll make you great, people see that greatness after it's fulfilled, you know what I mean? But during the process, it's like you do some weird things to get there. You know, like the steps that you take to really make something or invent something or do something very creative. I think there's some weird process in it. You know, you try a lot of different things. I remember one time I was taking a painting class with a very good friend of mine. And when I went there, I thought I was going to use paintbrush to paint. But the man had like old toothbrush, where we dip the toothbrush in the paint and we splash it on the canvas and it creates an effect. You know what I mean? So that would have been from an outsider's perspective. If somebody walking past and say him doing that, it look like, you know, I'm weird. But when you really want to create something and make it magnificent, you do weird things to get an effect or to really get, you know, the finished product. So yeah, but that's I'm weird, definitely. I'm own that 100%. So the last one, number 40, right? It has a with a challenge some people. So right now, me I challenge my brethren, my brother, similar, bossy. 40 question challenge. People want to know your business, but just do the thing. Alright. Next person we are challenge Lloyd from the Allwood Posse. Right, Lloyd? I'm gonna send them question I come give my boss. Sort out the thing. Make money you hold the camera. You see me I say? So that's it guys for the 40 question challenge. You don't know. So big up Island Girls and Joe from the Afflick gang to challenge Poppy. You don't know the thing though. When I back from the challenge them. And it was kind of fun. It was cool. You know what I mean? And I want to just say, oh, big up everybody who subscribed to Poppy Show and, you know, who watch Poppy Show and support Poppy Show wholeheartedly. You know what I mean? We really, really appreciate, you know what I mean? The channel would not be what the channel is today without all of you guys. Love, support, you know, without y'all's suggestions to us, ideas to us, you know. So keep on doing what you're doing for Poppy Show. Great things we have out there. We have the Poppy Show merchandise them, the link in the description below. Make sure now follow us on the Instagram, on the Facebook, and everywhere. You know what I mean? Just continue to support us, man. You know, really appreciate, you know. And now watch the video them, leave a comment, man. Please leave a comment. Let us know what you think, you know, whether good or bad. It have helped the channel to grow. You know what I mean? So, Poppy love you, no don't know. Big up on yourself. And until next time, God bless you and be safe out there, okay? Peace.